Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining us. I'm
Hello,
Tory.
I'm Mark.
We are TEI, where we teach, engage, and inspire. And today we are going to be showing you the Xylophone Whack Pack. I absolutely love this. This is a fabulous way to introduce music to the young ones in your community. So simple, I mean seriously simple. Mark and I unrolled this and we created this presentation in basically the last 3 or 4 minutes. So if we can do it, you can do it. One of the great things about Boomwhackers...
You're calling this a presentation now?
It's a presentation, okay. That's right. So get your popcorn, here we go. All right, so the Boomwhackers each make a different sound based on the length of the tube, and the notes are denoted on the side of the tubes. The music book that comes along with it is all color-coded. So the kids don't have to be able to read music to play along. All they have to do is follow along with the color coding. And with a little bit of practice, you can actually put together a pretty smart little tune here. So, you ready?
As ready as I'm going to be.
Okay, right on. Mary Had a Little Lamb?
Give it a shot.
Let's give it a whirl. Okay, so for this one, and it will indicate up at the top what color codes you need. We need the C, we need the D, we need the E, which is the yellow,
I got the C,
and
the
we need the G, which is green. Are we all ready? Oh, you need
my
music?
My eyes are, yeah, I'm not
Okay.
gonna freeform. It's like jazz. This is
Okay, here we go. We're gonna try to do this in one take, folks.
Hold on a second.
Ready?
You need a good sound surface to hit these on, so.
Yeah, we prefer the heads because, you know, the kids get into that too.
All right, so ready?
Alrighty, and a 1, and a 2.
Wow, that was impressive. I don't care what you say, that was impressive.
These are so easy to use.
Kids
they're
love
easy,
them.
yeah, they're easy to take care of. If for some reason one gets stepped on, you can basically reshape them with just, you know, like a blow dryer, a little bit of heat. Roll them through your hands first to see what you can do about reshaping them. They're indestructible, easy to keep clean. And if you go to YouTube and type Boomwhackers into the YouTube search engine, you'll see dozens and dozens of different performances and such that are done with the Boomwhackers. Fabulous product, and there are a lot of products that go along with the Whack Pack as well. We've got bells, there is octavator tubes so that
If you don't want to hit them on your head,
yeah,
we do have hammers.
Exactly. You put the octavator tube on and it raises or it lowers the note a full octave. And we also have these available as well. There is a series of support CDs that you can get to go along with it, with all kinds of exercises and marches and things, so you can turn it into a full-fledged production. So that is Boomwhackers in a nutshell. Love, love, love this product as an introduction to music for the young ones at your library. If you'd like some more information, and we're certain that you will, you can give us a call at 800-850-1701. Please like our video, and if you please subscribe so you can see all of the demo videos that we're going to be doing to introduce STEAM at your library. So, I'm Tory.
I'm Mark.
We are TEI, where we teach, engage, and inspire. See you next time.
Bye-bye.